friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSSP, UTC, NET, Police, Railway and in other state level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank, PO, clerk, SSC, GKSSB, UGC, NET, Police, Railway and in other state level exams. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus. और मैं students से request करता हूँ कि revise करें each chapter, each part at least twice, and they can also practice MCQs, PYQs as well before their examination. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप। अदरवाइज अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। और हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है थ्योरी पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड वेरियस टॉपिक्स दैट आर इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं। And today we will be doing some important MCQ PYQs that are also important from your exam point of view, and this will be our first size set of this chapter. So let's start with the question number 1. The first question is dash dash is branch of information technology known as information security. Your options are 1. Computer security, 2. Cyber security, 3. IT security and 4. All of these. Here the correct answer is option 4. All of these. Explanation. टर्म जो है लाइक कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी, साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड IT सिक्योरिटी, सब ये जो टर्म्स हैं दीज आर डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी। एंड ये जो टर्म्स हैं दीज आर बेसिकली द प्रैक्टिसेस जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है टू प्रोटेक्ट कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स, नेटवर्क्स एंड अदर डिजिटल डेटा फ्रॉम अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस, यूज़, डिस्क्लोजर, डिसरप्शन, मॉडिफिकेशन और डिस्ट्रक्शन। एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज it takes advantages of basic hardware and software security characteristics. Your options are 1. System design, 2. Data access control, 3. System access control and 4. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1. System design. Let's see an explanation. जब सिस्टम्स जो है उनको डिज़ाइन किया जाता है विद सिक्योरिटी इंटीग्रेटेड फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड अप, दे बेसिकली मेक फुल यूज़ ऑफ द इनहेरेंट सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स ऑफ बोथ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर। एंड ये जो प्रोएक्टिव अप्रोच है इट ensures that कि जो security है it's not just an after through but it is a core component of the systems architecture जो कि further reduce करते हैं system vulnerabilities and जो कि strength करते हैं overall protection को। एंड सम कॉमन एग्जाम्पल जो है सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स के दैट इंक्लूड्स मेमोरी प्रोटेक्शन, लाइक हार्डवेयर जो है इट मेक श्योर दैट कि जो वन प्रोसेस है दैट कैन नॉट एक्सेस अनदर प्रोसेस मेमोरी इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट डेटा लीक्स एंड टेम्परिंग। देन प्रोसेस मोड्स, इट डिस्टिंग्विशेस बिटवीन द प्रिविलेज्ड और कर्नल and unprivileged or user modes to control access to system resources. Then secure boot, like जो hardware या जो firmware mechanisms हैं they make sure that कि जो system है they only boots with the trusted software. Then operating system security features जो है it include built-in access control mechanisms, firewalls and encryption capabilities. While option 2 data access control and option 3 system access control जो है these are also the crucial security mechanisms, and these are basically the implementations of security policies which decides who can access what and how. But these ये जो controls हैं these controls do not inherently provide security on their own, but rather they leverage the underlying hardware and system design features to enforce security rules reliably. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन इज वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ ए लॉगिन नेम एंड पासवर्ड इज नोन एज। दिस क्वेश्चन हैड बीन ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड इन IBPS Clerk 2014. योर ऑप्शंस आर 1. Configuration, 2. Accessibility, 3. Authentication, 4 logging in, and 5 other than those given as options. Here the correct answer is option 3, authentication. Let's see an explanation. जो authentication है, it is basically the process of verifying the identity of a user, and in the context of a login name and password, जो authentication है, it confirms the user who provides or who enter these credentials. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, if you are allowing a person on the network based on the credentials to maintain the security of your network, then this act refers to the process of. This question had been already asked in IBPS PO 2016. As just we had discussed about it, I think this is an easy question. Your options are 1 authentication, 2 automation, 3 firewall, 4 encryption, and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 1 authentication. Explanation. As you know, जो authentication है, it is the process of verifying the identity of the user, device or system before granting access to the resources like user जो है they provide credentials such as username, password, pin या biometrics, और जो system है that verify these credentials against stored or trusted information. और अगर ये जो क्रेडेंशियल्स वैलिड होंगे दैट मीन्स जो एक्सेस है दैट इज़ ग्रांटेड, बट अगर ये जो क्रेडेंशियल्स इनवैलिड होंगे दैट मीन्स जो एक्सेस है दैट इज़ डिनेड. एंड ये जो हमें ऑल्सो फंडामेंटल एस्पेक्ट देखने को मिलता है ऑफ मेंटेनिंग नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी. ठीक है. Let's also see why other options are incorrect. Like option 2 automation जो है it is incorrect because जो automation है it refers to the use of technology to perform tasks automatically, which is basically not a process of verifying identity for network access. Then option 3 firewall जो है it is also incorrect because as you know जो firewall है it is a network security system जो कि monitor और जो कि control करता है incoming and outgoing network traffic को based on the predetermined security rules, which also does not directly verify user credentials. Then option 4 encryption जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो encryption है it is the process of converting data into an unreadable format to protect its confidentiality. However, it is also important for security, but it is not a process of granting network access based on the credentials. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is, the scrambling of code is known as. Your options are 1 encryption, 2 firewalling, 3 scrambling, and 4 deception. As we had discussed it, I think this is also an easy question. Here the correct answer is option 1 encryption. Let's see an explanation. जो encryption है it is basically the process of converting data or code into an unreadable format in order to prevent unauthorized access. And ये जो process है this process is also known as scrambling, which makes sure that अगर कोई intentionally unintentionally gain करता है access to our data, they cannot understand our data without the correct decryption key. ठीक है. Let's also see why other options are incorrect. Like option 2 firewalling जो है it is incorrect because जो firewalling है it is basically a security system जो कि कंट्रोल करता है नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक को to prevent unauthorized access to a network or computer, but it does not include scrambling code itself. Then option 3 scrambling जो है it is also incorrect because जो scrambling है it is a quite general term जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for making something unintelligible, and in the context of computer security and code protection जो encryption है it is the more precise and widely used term for this purpose. Then option 4 deception जो है it is also incorrect because जो deception है it means to mislead or to trick someone, which is also not directly related to the process of making code unreadable for security purposes. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, the main reason to encrypt a file is to. Your options are 1 reduce its size, 2 secure it for transmission, 3 preparing it for backup, and 4 include it in the startup sequence. Here the correct answer is option 2 secure it for transmission. Explanation. जो main reason है to encrypt a file that is basically to secure it for the transmission. हावेवर जो इनक्रिप्शन है इसको ऑल्सो कई कबार यूज़ किया जाता है टू सिक्योर स्टोर फाइल्स, एंड इसका जो मेन पर्पज़ है दैट इज़ टू कीप डेटा सेफ while it is being transmitted over a network on or over on the internet, which ensures two things: confidentiality and integrity of data. So जो encryption है इसको primarily या use किया जाता है to protect data from interception or unauthorized access while it is moving between systems. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 reduces its size. It is incorrect because जो encryption है it does not reduce the size of files, but in fact it may increase the size of files due to the metadata. So to reduce the size of any file, जो compression है that is used for that purpose, not encryption. Then option 3 prepare it for backup. It is also incorrect because encrypting files for the backup it adds security, but जो main purpose है encryption का that is to protect the data rather than preparing it for the backup, because जो files है that can be encrypted even if they are not being backuped. Then option 4 it include in this startup sequence. It is also incorrect because your encryption it is not related to startup sequence, but rather जो startup sequence है it includes system files and configuration जो कि हमें important देखने को मिलते हैं for the operating system to boot, but not for the encryption of files. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is cracked softwares are another source of your options are 1 email attack, 2 virus attack, 3 Trojan attack, and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 4 all of these. Explanation: जो cracked softwares हैं they pose a very significant risk, and they can be the main reason or source of the virus attack. Like जो cracked softwares है they often contain hidden malicious codes such as viruses जो कि infect करते हैं systems को when installed. Similarly Trojan horse like जो cracked softwares हैं they may also contain ट्रोजन्स जो कि स्टील करते हैं डेटा को और जो कि अलो करते हैं अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस और जो कि डिसरप्ट करते हैं एंटायर सिस्टम ऑपरेशंस को. हावेवर जो क्रैकिंग है इट्स नॉट ए डायरेक्ट सोर्स ऑफ email attack. In a state जो cracked softwares है they also compromise our systems which potentially allow attackers to hijack our email or capture credentials through keyloggers or spyware. Therefore, installing and using cracked softwares it could significantly increase the risk or vulnerability of various security threats. Hence, जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is a malware is a, I think this is an easy question. Your options are 1 program, 2 hardware, 3 person, and 4 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 1 program. Let's see an explanation. जो malware term है it is derived from the term malicious software and it is a kind of program जिसको intentionally create किया जाता है to harm computers, networks और data. And example जो है malware के that includes viruses, worms, ransomware, spyware, adware and Trojan horses. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is software such as viruses, worms and Trojan horses that have a malicious content is known as. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 malicious software or malware, 2 adware, 3 scareware, 4 spyware and 5 firewall. As just we had discussed it, I think this is also an easy question. Here the correct answer is option 1 malicious software or malware. Explanation: सॉफ्टवेयर और प्रोग्राम्स जो हैं सच एज वायरसेस, वार्म्स या ट्रोजन हॉर्सेस सभी जो सॉफ्टवेयर हैं दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मैलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर और मालवेयर. लेट्स आल्सो सी अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 2 एडवेयर जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज एडवेयर जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि डिस्प्ले करते हैं अनवांटेड एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स को दैट आर वेरी अनोइंग बट इट इज़ नॉट इनहेरेंटली मैलिशियस. देन ऑप्शन 3 स्कैरवेयर जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो स्कैरवेयर है इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ मॉलवेयर जो कि डिसीव और जो कि ट्रिक करते हैं यूजर्स को इनटू बिलीविंग दैट देयर कंप्यूटर इज इन्फेक्टेड एंड दे आस्क यूजर्स टू पे फॉर द फेक सिक्योरिटी सॉफ्टवेयर्स। देन ऑप्शन 4 स्पाईवेयर जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो स्पाईवेयर है इट्स ऑल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि सीक्रेटली मॉनिटर और जो कि कलेक्ट करते हैं यूजर इंफॉर्मेशन को विदाउट देयर कंसेंट and it is also a type of malware. And option 5 firewall जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो firewall है it is basically a security system जो कि monitor और जो कि control करते हैं incoming and outgoing network traffic को based on the predetermined security rules and इसको basically design किया जाता है to protect against malwares rather than being a type of it. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is viruses, Trojan horses and worms are. This question had been already asked in IPPS Cleric 2012. As just we had discussed it, I think this is also an easy question. Your options are 1. Able to harm computer systems. 2. Unable to detect if present on computer. 3. User-friendly applications. 4. Harmless applications resident on computer. And 5. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1. Able to harm computer system. Explanation. Viruses, Trojan horses and worms, all of these are the examples of malware. And ये जो programs हैं इनको intentionally create किया जाता है to cause harm to the computer system in different ways like data corruption और loss जो कि modify और जो कि delete करते हैं important files को. Then system performance degradation जो कि slow down करते हैं also performance of the systems. Then security breaches जो कि also provide करते हैं attackers को an unauthorized access to the systems. Then spreading to other systems जो कि also spread करते हैं या जो कि infect करते हैं other components को on the network और जो कि also display करते हैं unwanted एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स एंड जो कि ऑल्सो कंट्रोल करते हैं डेटा और सिस्टम होस्टेजेस को और जो कि डिमांड करते हैं टू पे मनी टू रेस्टोर द एक्सेस. ठीक है. Well, if we talk about other options like option 2 unable to detect if present on computer, it is incorrect because कई malwares जो हैं they tries to hide but जो most important antivirus या anti malware programs हैं they detect and they removes it. Then option 3 user friendly applications जो है it is also incorrect because जो malware है it is not a user friendly application but rather it is a very harmful application जिसको डिज़ाइन किया जाता है to operate the system without users consent and that often causes negative consequences. Then option 4 harmless application resident on computer it is also incorrect because by definition हम समझ सकते हैं viruses या trojan horses जो है these are not the harmless. And option 5 none of the above जो है it is also incorrect because option 1 जो है that accurately describes the question. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is it is a self-replicating program that infect computers and spreaders by inserting copies of itself into other executable code or document. Your options are 1 keylogger, 2 worm, 3 virus and 4 cracker. Here the correct answer is option 3 virus. Let's see an explanation. जो virus है it is a form of malware that cannot work on its own but rather it basically attaches itself to the host program और फाइल एंड जब उस होस्ट प्रोग्राम या डिवाइस जो है उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया जाता है जो वायरस है इट एक्टिवेट्स और इट एग्जीक्यूट्स और रन्स इट्स कोड एंड अल्टीमेटली इट स्प्रेड्स बाय इन्फेक्टिंग अदर फाइल्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑन दिस सिस्टम. ठीक है. लेट्स ऑल्सो सी वाई अदर ऑप्शंस आर इनकरेक्ट लाइक ऑप्शन 1 की लॉगर जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो की लॉगर है इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ सर्वेलेंस सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि रिकॉर्ड करते हैं की लॉगर्स जो कि यूजर्स एंटर करते हैं which does not replicate or infect other files. Then option 2 worm जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो worm है it is also a self-replicating program but unlike virus it does not need to attach itself to a host program but rather it spreads independently over a network by exploiting vulnerabilities. देन ऑप्शन 4, क्रैकर जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो क्रैकर है इट इज़ ए पर्सन रादर देन ए सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि डिलिबरेटली ब्रेक करते हैं सिस्टम्स को, जो कि बाईपास करते हैं सिक्योरिटी प्रोटेक्शंस को, लाइक पासवर्ड्स, लाइसेंसेस और इंक्रिप्शन फॉर malicious reasons such as for data theft, disruption or piracy. However, they may also create or they may also use malware like viruses or trojans as a tools, but they themselves are not the malware. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, a computer virus is, your options are 1, deliberately created, 2, created accidentally, 3, produced as a result of some program error, and 4, all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1, deliberately created. Explanation, एज यू नो जो वायरसेस हैं दीज आर द टाइप ऑफ मालवेयर जो कि जिनको डेलिबरेटली या जिनको इंटेंशनली क्रिएट करते हैं इंडिविजुअल्स या ग्रुप्स विथ ए मैलिशियस इंटेंट और टू कॉज हार्म. सो इनको स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया जाता है टू परफॉर्म अनवांटेड और हार्मफुल एक्शंस ऑन ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स. हाउएवर जो प्रोग्राम एरर्स या जो bugs हैं दे आर यूजुअली आल्सो द accidental mistakes in the code that also cause program to behave unexpectedly or to crash, but they do not have to have the ability to replicate themselves or to spread to other systems. And in contrast जो virus है it इसको deliberately create किया जाता है with a malicious intent and it contains self-replicating code जो कि spread होते हैं from one file or system to another through infected files, email attachments और compromised websites. So both ये जो program errors और ये जो viruses हैं they cause problems, but only जो viruses हैं they are intentional, they are self-replicating और malicious. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is the correct answer. Now let us proceed to next question. The question is, dash dash are often delivered to a PC through a mail attachment and are often designed to cause harm. This question had been already asked in IBPS PO 2015 and we had already discussed about it. I think this is also an easy question. Your options are 1, portals, 2, spam, 3, viruses, 4, other than those given as options, and 5, email messages. Here the correct answer is option 3, viruses. Explanation, एज आई टोल्ड यू जो वायरसेस हैं दीज आर बेसिकली द टाइप ऑफ मालवेयर जो कि फ्रीक्वेंटली स्प्रेड होते हैं थ्रू ईमेल अटैचमेंट्स. लाइक जब यूज़र जो है वो ओपन करता है कोई भी इन्फेक्टेड अटैचमेंट जो वायरस कोड है दैट एग्जीक्यूट्स और दैट रन्स इटसेल्फ एंड इट कुड पोटेंशियली cause harm to the computer systems by damaging files, stealing data or spreading to other systems. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1, portals जो है it is incorrect because you know जो portals हैं these are basically the web based entry pointers to the different resources and services and they are not inherently designed to cause harm. Then option 2, spam जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो spam है it is an unsolicited or we can say unwanted electronic messages like emails और ये जो spams हैं these are very annoying and they also contain malicious links or attachments like viruses. However, they are not as much as harmful like viruses. And option 5, email messages it is also incorrect because जो infected email messages हैं they also carry harmful payloads or viruses, but the thing is जो email message है itself it is the delivery mechanism rather than a harmful entity. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is the correct answer. The next question, the question is, which of the following refers to dangerous programs that can be caught off opening email attachments and download software from the internet? This question had been already asked in SBI PO 2014 and we had already talked about it. I think this is an easy question for you. Your options are 1, utility, 2, virus, 3, honeypot, 4, spam and 5, app. Here the correct answer is option 2, viruses. Explanation, as I told you जो कंप्यूटर वायरसेस हैं these are the type of malware जो कि स्प्रेड होते हैं थ्रू इन्फेक्टेड ईमेल अटैचमेंट्स एंड मैलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड्स. और जब हम ओपन करते हैं इन अटैचमेंट्स को these attachments cause catching or they infect the computer with dangerous program. ठीक है. Let's also see why the options are incorrect. Like option 1, यूटिलिटी जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर हैं इनको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू मैनेज एंड टू मेंटेन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स एंड दे आर नॉट द डेंजरस. देन ऑप्शन 3, हनी पार्ट जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज हनी पार्ट जो है इट इज़ अ सिक्योरिटी मैकेनिज्म जो कि साइबर क्रिमिनल्स को अवे रखते हैं फ्रॉम द रियल एसेट्स और जो कि ऑल्सो डिटेक्ट करते हैं साइबर अटैक्स को एंड दे डज नॉट हार्म द सिस्टम्स. देन ऑप्शन 4, स्पैम जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज यू नो जो स्पैम है इट इज ए अनसॉलिसिटेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैसेज लाइक ईमेल that can be very annoying for the users and they also carry malicious content or viruses. However, it is not dangerous as much as viruses. Then option 5, application जो है it is also incorrect because जो application है it is a quite general term that is used for the application program. However, कई applications जो है they are also malicious but जो term app है it is not a dangerous program that spreads through email attachments and downloads. Hence, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज a program designed to destroy data on your computer which can travel to infect other computers is called. I think this is also an easy question as we had talked about it and this question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2012. Your options are 1, disease, 2, torpedo, 3, hurricane, 4, virus and 5, infector. Here the correct answer is option 4, virus. Let's see an explanation. As you know जो वायरस है इट इज़ ए प्रोग्राम जिसको डिज़ाइन किया जाता है टू डिस्ट्रॉय डेटा एंड ये जो वायरस है इट ट्रैवल्स और इट इन्फेक्ट्स अदर कंप्यूटर्स एंड ये जो वायरस है इट कैन नॉट स्प्रेड ऑन इट्स ओन बट इट रिक्वायर्स ह्यूमन एक्शन टू स्प्रेड और टू इन्फेक्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव फाइल्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स. ठीक है. लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1, डिजीज जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो कंप्यूटर वायरस है इट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक ए बायोलॉजिकल disease and it has an ability to spread automatically and can cause harm but your disease है it's not a standard term used for this purpose. Then option 2, torpedo जो है it is also incorrect because जो torpedo है it is basically an underwater explosive weapon that has nothing to do with the computer program. Then option 3, hurricane जो है it is also incorrect because जो hurricane है it is a powerful weather system and it has also nothing to do with the computer program. And option 5, infector जो है it is also incorrect because जो virus है it is also a type of infector but जो standard term जो कि यूज़ की जाती है for the malicious program that is the virus. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us proceed to another question. The question is, if your computer rebooting itself, then it is likely that this question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2012. Your options are 1, it has a virus, 2, it does not have NF, 3, there is no printer, 4, there has been power usage, and 5, it needs a CD-ROM. Here the correct answer is option 1, it has a virus. Let's see an explanation. जो मोस्ट लाइकली रीज़न है फॉर द कंप्यूटर जो कि कॉन्स्टेंटली रिबूट होता है इटसेल्फ दैट कैन बी इंडीड ए वायरस बिकॉज कई वायरसेस या जो वार्मस होते हैं उनको स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया जाता है टू करप्ट क्रिटिकल सिस्टम्स फाइल्स और टू ओवरलोड सिस्टम रिसोर्सेज एंड टू मॉडिफाई रजिस्ट्री और बूट कन्फिगरेशंस. ठीक है. Let us also see why the options are incorrect. Like option 2, it does not have enough. It is incorrect because जो insufficient RAM है it can cause downloads and application crashes but it is not the main reason for constant repeating system reboots. Then option 3, there is no printer. It's also incorrect जो because जो presence या जो absence है printers की that has no direct impact on the computer's ability to run and they may not also be the reason for rebooting issues. Then option 4, there has been power surge. It's also incorrect because it can damage the hardware components and in some cases it can also lead to the rebooting issues. However, जो single power surge है that can cause computer to shut down completely or to have other malfunctions rather than rebooting. Then option 5, it needs a CD-ROM. It is also incorrect because जो use है CD-ROM का for any specific task, it simply prevents that task from being completed, and it would not also cause the entire system to reboot. Therefore, जो virus infection है, it is the main reason for the computer rebooting itself. However, it's also important to note that कि जो hardware issues है like power failure, failure of power supply या overheating, that can also cause this problem. And जो हमारा option 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is computer virus is. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2011, and this is also an easy question. Your options are 1 a hardware, 2 a Windows tool, 3 a computer program, 4 a system software, and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3 a computer program. Explanation. एज जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि जो कंप्यूटर वायरस है, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम जिसको डिज़ाइन किया जाता है टू डिसरप्ट द नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशंस। और जब कंप्यूटर वायरस जो है उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया जाता है, इट बेसिकली replicates by copying its code into the other programs and other data files or even boot sector of the hard drive. And once it replicates and once replication is successful, those files या जो programs या जो sectors हैं, they are considered to be as infected due to these viruses. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is which among the following is related to the internet and mail? Your options are 1 boot, 2 magnetic tapes, 3 application software, and 4 viruses. As we have discussed it so many times, I think this is also an easy question. Here the correct answer is option 4 virus. Let's see an explanation. जो कंप्यूटर वायरसेस है, दे स्प्रेड्स थ्रू द इंटरनेट, स्पेशली थ्रू द इन्फेक्टेड डाउनलोड्स और वेबसाइट्स एंड ऑल्सो थ्रू द मेल अटैचमेंट्स. एंड ये जो वायरसेस हैं, दे आर द मेन सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स रिलेटेड टू बोथ इंटरनेट एंड ईमेल. ठीक है. लेट्स ऑल्सो सी वाई अदर ऑप्शंस आर इनकरेक्ट. लाइक ऑप्शन 1 बूट अप जो है, इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो बूट अप है, इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टार्टिंग ए कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, and it is also a fundamental function of computer which is not directly related to the internet or email. Then option 2 magnetic tapes जो है, it's also incorrect because जो magnetic tapes हैं, these are basically the storage mediums जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है for the backups, and they are not also directly related to the internet or email. Then option 3 application software जो है, it's also incorrect because जो application software हैं, it includes word processors या game softwares that can also use internet email, but जो term software है, it does not inherently it's not inherently related to them in the same way a virus does. है जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is the first PC virus was developed in. Your options are 1 1980, 2 1984, 3 1986, and 4 1988. Here the correct answer is option 3 1986. Explanation. However, there are various ongoing debates about what qualifies the very first PC virus, but nevertheless जो ब्रेन वायरस है, इसको जनरली रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाता है एज द अर्लीस्ट नोन वायरस, जो कि स्प्रेड और जो कि इन्फेक्ट करता है कंप्यूटर्स को. स्पेशली इट हैड इन्फेक्टेड एट द टाइम IBM PC compatible computers outside the controlled environments in the real world. And जो ब्रेन वायरस है, it was released in the January 1986, and it is also worthy to mention here that there are also some earlier self-replicating programs or viruses that existed before 1986, but जो brain virus है, it is the first viruses that had targeted the widespread IBM PC architectures. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is which was the first PC boot sector virus? Your options are 1 creeper, 2 payload, 3 bomb, and 4 brain. As just we had discussed it, I think this is easy question. Here the correct answer is option 4 brain. Let's see an explanation. एज अर्लियर वी हैड डिस्कस्ड, जो ब्रेन वायरस है इसको रिलीज़ किया गया इन द ईयर 1986 एंड इसको कंसिडर किया जाता है एज द फर्स्ट पीसी बूट सेक्टर वायरस एंड जो वायरस है स्पेसिफिकली टारगेट इज द बूट सेक्टर ऑफ द फ्लॉपी डिस्कस एस्पेशली ऑन IBM PCs and other compatible systems, which makes them unable to start properly once infected. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. सो गाइस दैट इज इट फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखें या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. And you can also follow me on the social media platforms, and for PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.